In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a subtask in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to create a subtask, first you need to go to your space and choose the project under which you want to create a subtask. In my case, I have two projects, 1 and 2. I want to create a subtask under project 1. Now, if I click on project 1, you can see we have quite a number of tasks here, and I'd like to create a subtask under task 1. To create a subtask, just hover over the task 1 and then click on this plus, and you can see add subtask. If you click on it, now go ahead and give your subtask a name, and then to save it, click on save here, and there we go, we have a subtask. So that's how you can create a subtask in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.